Are you running an NGO and looking to access government grants and welfare schemes? Registering your NGO on the NGO Darpan portal is the first step toward opportunities for funding and partnerships. Hello friends, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Setindiabiz. As you have understood with our opening line, we are going to cover the crucial topic, list of documents required for NGO Darpan registration. In this video, we'll cover below. Number 1. Introduction to NGO Darpan. Number 2. Why proper documentation is essential. Number 3. Mandatory documents for NGO Darpan registration. Number 4. Documents to avoid errors in submission. Without further ado, let's walk you through the documents required to successfully complete your non-government organization registration. Section 1. Introduction to NGO Darpan. The NGO Darpan portal, managed by NITI Aayog, serves as a digital interface connecting NGOs and voluntary organizations with government authorities. Through this platform, NGOs can apply for grants, establish credibility, and showcase their impact. Section 2. Why proper documentation is essential for NGO Darpan registration. Accurate and complete documentation is the backbone of NGO Darpan registration. Missing or incorrect documents can delay the process or lead to outright rejection. Let's break down the mandatory requirements. Section 3. Mandatory documents for NGO Darpan registration. Mandatory list of documents required for NGO Darpan registration in India are presented here. PAN card of the NGO. A valid PAN card with details matching the NGO's registration documents is mandatory. Registration certificate. This includes the trust deed, society registration certificate, or certificate of incorporation, depending on the type of organization. Memorandum of Association, MOA. Self-attested MOA and AOA for Section 8 companies, while trusts must submit their registered trust deed. Details of key office bearers. Provide accurate details of key members such as the president, secretary, and treasurer, including their designations and roles. Aadhaar and PAN cards of key persons of NGO. Self-attested copies of the Aadhaar and PAN cards of at least 3 key individuals of the proposed NGOs must be submitted. Write-up on major activities. Prepare a 500-character summary describing the NGO's best practices and major achievements. Section 4. Documents to avoid errors in submission. To ensure a smooth and hassle-free NGO Darpan registration process, double-check that names and details match across all provided documents. Verify self-attestations for all submitted files. Prepare digital copies for seamless online uploads. Section 5. Conclusion. Unique ID/Darpan ID granted after successful NGO Darpan registration is a mandatory requirement to open its bank account that successfully opens doors to a world of opportunities such as government schemes, funding, and collaboration. By presenting the right set of documents and careful attention to detail, your NGO can stand out and expand its impact. Still unsure? Let experts at Setindiabiz guide you through the registration process and save you valuable time. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Now, after watching this video closely, you are well versed with the list of requisite documents for NGO Darpan registration. We hope you liked the information provided in this video. Submit your query in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational videos.